this? Okay.
Canada's okay. Yeah, I'll put
Okay.
Canada. I'll move Israel.
Okay. Because you know
I understand.
the problems with Israel. We don't believe in Israel.
I understand.
As country, we don't believe in Israel. That's why I don't like it.
Yeah, we'll change it. No worries. Canada.
Canada is okay.
Yes, Canada. Everyone likes Canada.
Canada is
Our
Algerian
neutral
country.
place.
You can say Canada. There is a lot of population of Algerians living in Canada.
Canada's a good place.
This this flag we don't accept it. Woo! Enfin كما عارفين احنا هذا العالم الاسرائيلي لا نؤمن باسرائيل كدوله ولا نؤمن بها. قمنا بتغيير العلم، وضعنا علم كندا في مكان العلم الصهيوني. نحن لا نؤمن بدولة ببني صهيون كدولة، ولو كان وضعنا نوضعوا العلم الفلسطيني ما نحطوش. السعودية، ايه، تركيا، اليابان. We don't have any problem with any country, only that stupid country we don't believe it.